Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to easily track 404 pages and redirect them in WordPress. So firstly guys, sign in your WordPress dashboard, then hover cursor to plugins, add new, search here redirect. This is the most popular redirection plugin. Click on install now, then click on activate. Now here you will see notice, please complete your redirection setup to activate the plugin. If you not see this notice, so just find out redirection, then click on settings. Now just click on start setup. Check this box, monitor permalink changes in WordPress posts and pages. If you change the permalink in a post or page, then redirection can automatically create a redirect for you. And also check this box, keep a log of all redirects and 404 errors. Then click on continue setup. Now wait for a few seconds. That's it. You will see REST API good. You will need at least one working REST API to continue. Click on finish setup. And here you will see finished. Here is the dashboard for redirection. If you don't know and if you are beginner, so leave as default. So guys, here you will see redirects, groups and sites 404. So this is the best plugin for WordPress to redirect and to track 404s. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. Just download and install and activate this plugin. It will work automatically in your WordPress website and it will save to lose your traffic in case if you change permalink for your post or pages. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.